It is the time of the year for boat safety campaigns, but there's one happening in Marlborough that takes boat safety to new heights. Skippers and their crews will be receiving voiced messages seemingly from out of the blue. Here's Ruwani Pereira.
Give us a wave if you have your life jackets.
Alerts from the air beamed below onto boaties to remind them of the rules. Homegrown drone wizardry has made it possible to relay key safety messaging to vessels out on the water, like maintaining safe speeds.
Making sure that people have two forms of communication, making sure they've got their life jackets, making sure the skipper understands the need to be responsible.
Maritime New Zealand is footing the almost $4,000 bill for this trial, designed to encourage good behaviour and help reduce our recreational boating deaths. Last year, 15 people died on the water.
When you have things going wrong out there, that costs a whole lot more than this kind of initiative.
The idea came from the use of drones alerting shark sightings to beachgoers and using unmanned aircrafts to communicate health messaging during the coronavirus pandemic. Those out on the water today found it a novel experience.
They gave us messages like, keep paddling and you're doing really great. So that was quite amusing and also encouraging.
I think it's a good reminder to people because it's done in a fun way.
Those behind the trial say they expect there'll be noise and privacy issues.
We fully understand that, but at the same time, when you're out on the water, it's important to recognise that you're not there on your own. We need to be courteous and considerate of other boaties around us.
And other regions could see the drones in operation too. Further trials are planned to get this world-leading technology off the ground.
Have a great day on the water.
Ruwani Pereira, News Hub.